Ever tried using the timer on your iPhone camera, but it only takes one photo? What if I told you there's a way to take multiple shots automatically? Perfect for action shots or group selfies. In this video, I'll show you how to use burst mode with the timer so you never miss the perfect moment. Stick around till the end to see how to save only the best ones. Let's start by opening the camera app on your iPhone. Now at the top right corner, make sure to turn off the live photo icon. This is super important. Burst mode won't work if live photo is on. Next, at the top middle of the screen, tap the up arrow to reveal more options. At the bottom, you'll now see additional controls. Tap the timer icon and choose 3 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how much time you need. Now go ahead and tap the shutter button. Your iPhone will count down and then automatically take a burst of photos. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future iPhone photo tips like this. Once the photos are taken, tap the preview image in the bottom left corner. At the top left, you'll see it says burst. Tap on it. You'll now be able to scroll through all the burst shots. Tap the small circle on the bottom right corner of each image you want to keep. Then tap done at the top right. You'll be given 2 options. Tap keep everything to save all the shots, or tap keep only favorites to save just your best pics. To verify it worked, just open your Photos app and check the saved images. You'll see either just the selected shots or the full burst, exactly as you chose. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.